Hey, what's up everyone? So if you're looking for a breakfast that is elegant yet simple, then look no further. I'm about to share with you a breakfast item that is sure to make your mornings and your family's mornings. This is my recipe for creamy fried eggs with smoked. Alright, we're going to start by toasting up 2 English muffins that we'll cut in half. And while they are toasting, we will turn our attention to our eggs. Okay, we have our skillet heated to medium heat. We're just going to add some olive oil. Alright, once we have our oil up to temperature, we're going to add our eggs. We are then going to season with salt and pepper. We're going to chop up some dill. We are then going in with a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And we're just going to cover that up. Okay, our English muffins have finished toasting. We're just going to butter them up. Next, we're going to layer our salmon. Squeeze some lemon juice. We're then going to carefully add our fried egg. And then finally we're going to top it off with a little bit of this salmon caviar. And that, my friends, is how you do fried eggs with smoked salmon. One of my favorite ways to do breakfast. I hope you give it a try.